All right, good morning and welcome to VDC's YouTube channel. So we're going to be showcasing every week some videos on our different pallets, and we'll just take a walk down to the two categories that we're going to talk about this morning. One is AMZ Footwear, the other one's AMZ Apparel. Now, we've worked obviously the last couple of weeks pretty hard getting our inventory online. We managed within 3 or 4 days to get 350 pallets online, give you pictures, descriptions. You're able to purchase them online as well. And so now what we're going to do is we sent out a survey asking our customers, obviously, what we could do to perhaps make that a little easier as well, the purchases, and maybe getting you some more information and kind of seeing what's in our warehouse and what we have coming in and all of that fun stuff. Now, obviously, prior to COVID, you could come in here and you could go through the pallets, take a look around, spend some time, and we know that's not possible. So we're doing our best to get you the information we can and make it a little easier for you. So here what we have is, again, we're going to do AMZ Apparel and AMZ Footwear, kind of a pallet breakdown, and take a look at what we have here. So now these, just to give you an idea, these pallets here were both $1,950 prior to COVID. Due to the price, obviously, sales are down for everybody, so we further discounted them to $14.95 on our website. Now we've taken another 25% off. We need to move these. We've got about 40 pallets, I think, in stock, and we need to move them. We're going to take a loss on them, but we just need some space. We're going to have probably close to 250 pallets again coming in this week. Just under our contractual obligations, we've got a bunch of stuff that just needs to come in. So anyway, here is a breakdown of the overview, actually, of the apparel. So what we did is in the past we've counted some of these pallets here to kind of get an idea, and there's about 1,000 units in a pallet. So give you an idea here. We took some stuff out this morning and placed it on tables just to give you an idea of what's there. You've got some brand stuff, you've got some stuff that's not branded, pretty much all brand new goods. Nice product, lots. That's how the pallet looks on the inside of it. And then we'll just take a look at this here. Some more product on the tables. So you're going to be, I don't know, approximately, it's about 1,000 pieces. So you're going to be just over $1 an item, maybe a little more than $1, maybe $1.25, but, pretty nice stuff. And there's the aisleway where all the pallets are. They're about 5.5 feet tall. So you get lots of product in them. Now the other category is the AMZ Footwear, and we've put some footwear on on a couple of tables here, give you an idea. And pretty nice stuff. Obviously, new goods. Most of it's in boxes. The smaller items are going to be in the bags, like these children's. Looks like a type of a croc or whatever, sandal. And you got some boots, and you got some shoes. You've got some athletic. You got some sports. You got some beach wear there. Here's a picture there. There we go, right of the pallet of the way it is on the inside. And you can open up some boxes here and give you an idea kind of what they look like, what's in them. And so this is how they come. This is exactly how the pallets are. So they come just like this. They look just like that. And there's the aisleway where they are, down that aisleway. Now we did a count on these pallets in the past, and they vary. There are anywhere from 400 to 700 items, pairs in a pallet. Now, obviously, if you've got some pallets that have more of these smaller items here, there's going to be more units in the entire pallet. And then when you get kind of a lot of the ones with the boxes, that's where probably you're going to end up around 400. So you're going to be anywhere like $2.50 a pair to, if there was more items, it'd be maybe $1.50 a pair. So, yeah, some really good pallets, really good value. And like I said, right now, both those categories are at the checkout like $11.21. So they're fairly inexpensive. And so what we'll do is every week we're going to do these videos. We're going to post them actually on the main page of our website. Right on the first page, you'll be able to see them. It'll be a weekly weekly thing, and we'll showcase some pallets for you and kind of give you a better idea, a little better understanding of what we've got in stock. All right. Hope everybody's taking care. We'll talk to you soon.